project we did in school. It's very fun. You need to design a bungee jump ride for an egg. The egg cannot break or hit the ground. Your rider must come within 2 inches of the floor without touching the floor. You might want to practice first with the plastic egg in order to get it right. Rachel K. of Champaign, Illinois. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah. All right, we need to make it so this plastic egg is the same weight as this egg to try it out.
Pennies.
Yeah. It's ready? You put some pennies in.
Let's try.
And I'll be the scale. More. Here, let go of it. A couple more. That's good. So if you just lower it in.
Wait, what's that one? This one's not.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
I know, that was really cool.
Let's try it. Try to put it inside.
And we can put a rubber band on it too. Then we'll stretch it.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay, so say, okay, how much do you think, to go down here, how long do you think it would have to be? Halfway? Because it depends on how it stretches. Because if we make it as long as this, and we drop it, it'll stretch and go way below, and the egg will break. So you have to figure out how long it should be.
Oh, wow, that's a really good point.
Just stretch it, because these things stretch. No, keep on going. Walking. You look up.
Count to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, that's
I mean, let's just try it.
Let's see how it stretches.
too. Yeah, that's really good.
Here, should I go up to the top and here? And I'm just gonna see how long this is. Okay, ready? I'm just gonna hand it to you. Alright, ready? Get the ruler. And it's gonna go a little farther when we drop it, I think, because I guess, I don't know.
The following message is transmitted at the request.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami-Dade County Emergency Management. That general emergency has been declared for areas within a 75-mile radius of the Turkey Point nuclear power plant in southern Miami-Dade County. A severe meltdown has occurred at Reactor 3 due to the damage caused from the tornado and 4.0 magnitude earthquake that occurred earlier this morning, causing an immediate major nuclear threat in the warned areas. If you are hearing this message, please evacuate.